Your God-given beauty in your heart and on your temple is a gift. And it's about time for you to really accept that for what it is. Many of you have come from people, this could have been mothers, there could have been sisters, there could have been aunts, some even males in your family, unfortunately, that because they couldn't be you, they tried to denigrate you. And for others, because they could not be with you, they also tried to attack you. So it has been coming at you from all areas. And so this is why many of you may have become more so introverted. But now, since many of you at this time, you decided to separate yourself from those that may have even saw your worth, but they did not want you to see it. They didn't want you to really reach your highest potential. There's greatness within you, and the greatness that's in your forecast, you're beginning to see it. And you know how you're being able to see it is because you're picking up on the fact that you are comfortable in being who you are, and you're getting love. You're getting so much love, oftentimes from complete strangers. A lot of times, you were in the dark in regard to your gifts and your abilities, but it only takes just some people to acknowledge these things within you that makes you realize that, wow, yeah, I have been gifted in these areas all along. But they didn't want you, for whatever reasons, to actually get to the point of realizing that you have so many great qualities about yourself. In addition to your aesthetic, it's a gift. God wants you to be in the forefront. And so this is why sometimes God allows the chosen ones, God allows those that are anointed. You're going through all these pains, all these struggles, but you still remain beautiful. He multiplies your beauty. And He uses you as a literal canvas. He uses you as a testament to your ability to overcome, for your ability to still maintain your integrity. Because many of you, people were trying to set you up so many different times. There are people that, in order to just get some kudos from others or to get some type of brownie points, they put you in situations that was a setup. But by you trusting your intuition, you were able to escape a lot of traps. You were able to maintain your integrity. And the whole time, you may have picked up on these things. You may not have wanted to believe it, but thank God you were able to trust your intuition. And if you deny your intuition in the past, now is the opportune time, because your life is ascending and you're going to be at the forefront. Get ready.